Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locking a single objective because everything else flows from that choice. Create a campaign with location, budget per day, and campaign type, search, display, or shopping, and pick conversion tracking. Once done, import 5 10-seed keywords and build a negative keyword list to prevent waste. Make sure to set bidding to maximize conversions or set a dollar target CPA if you have historical data. This aligns spend with outcome. This first setup gets you running immediately. Now you optimize targeting and creative. Layer in audience segments, remarketing, in-market, and affinity, so your ads reach likely converters. You're increasing relevance and lowering CPC. Create 3 responsive search ads per ad group, mixing headlines and descriptions that include primary keywords. This improves quality score. Once live, run 10-20% budget tests on new keywords and allocate more to top performers. Make sure to use asset-level reporting to pause weak variations and scale what converts. Finish by scaling and measuring. Review conversions, ROAS, CPC, and search impression share to decide where to expand. Once metrics are stable, increase budgets on winning campaigns and test bid adjustments by device or time of day to squeeze more value. Make sure to audit landing pages and analytics tags so data stays accurate. A broken tag skews decisions. If performance drops, run a quick checklist, negative keywords, ad relevance, bids, and landing speed to pinpoint the issue and recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.